In this video, I'm going to show you how to add comments and review a document that your students have submitted and insert comments and make changes. So assuming I have my students who send this document to me and I need to make some editings to it, I don't need to review it and make comments. All I need is just to select the area that I wanted to select to comment on or to correct. I can just come over to review over here and you can see new comment. So this is going to give you the opportunity to write a comment. You will write this. Okay, so once you hit on enter and you click out, this is going to now serve as your own comment. You can see when you have made it. So you can select any section of it and then you can add comment. Okay, so you can see, please check this. All right. So you click out and then this is now going to serve as a comment. So you can delete any of this and then you can see the changes. Okay, you can track the changes also. If you want, you can track the changes on your own. So you can see all markups and even all options from here. So you can add as many corrections as you have to the document, and when students have it on his own end, you can be able to see what he has done directly on the document. Okay, so you can just be giving your comment. Once he opens, you'll be able to see. Once he clicks, he'll be able to see what you have written, the comments you have given, and he will edit it and so on. So he is going to now on his own end accept or reject a particular correction, and then he can effect on it, and then he can be able to see the changes. Once you have a document, I'll show you later on how you can compare and see whether he has made the changes or not. If you found this helpful, please leave a like.